ladies and gentlemen, once again, our brother accelerators now here. Let's give out a round of applause, please. And we're about to start our program proper, friends, ladies and gentlemen. So please follow me. I'm Richard Atienza, and I will be your host for Nita at 70, the birthday special. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I'll be requesting our birthday celebrator to be with us on stage, please.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Once again, our brother celebrator, please, all right, ladies and gentlemen, let's sing a happy birthday song for her. And again, please, ladies and gentlemen, rise. And let's sing once again for her. 1, 2, and let's all sing once again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday. Please put your hands together once again, one more time. Day to you. Ito, ulitin na daw po, sabi ng ating sound director. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Alam mo po, kailangan mas masaya at mas masigla. Putuwas ka na! Now! Happy birthday to you. Louder! Louder! One more time. Happy birthday.